Short video it is in just hardly a minute, both in English and Hindi. We saw that market has opened in the negative, about mildly only, say about 20 points negative. And questions were there that I've given so many positive timings, but that's for a little later. I believe as we start crossing about 940, 45 particularly, 45 or so, 945, you should start seeing recovery, more positive momentum, green Nifty and Bank Nifty. So don't be worried. To get more detailed analysis, do join our Premium Plus. You can WhatsApp us on 982-086-1044. भाई और बहनों रुकिए, थोड़ा नेगेटिव में खुला है, लेकिन जैसे 9:45 को क्रॉस करेंगे तो अच्छा मोमेंटम और कुछ ग्रीन भी दिखना शुरू हो जाएगा. सभी के लिए संपर्क करें, प्रीमियम प्लस ज़रूर ज्वाइन करें. नंबर है 982-086-1044. नमस्ते, जय हिंद, जय भारत.